Within Western Washington Medical Group, currently we have 5 providers provide care for your total body. They specialize in general orthopedic care to include simple injections up to total joint replacement of the knee, hip, or shoulder, as well as disc replacement of the entire spine. Currently we have 5 physicians and 3 physician's assistants. We have a provider that does upper extremity and hand surgery, 2 that do general orthopedics as well as total joints, 1 that does sports medicine and general orthopedics, and we have a fellowship-trained spine surgeon. Within the orthopedic clinic, we like to think of ourselves as the primary care for your body and bones. We want you to come to us to be able to feel that you have received the best possible care with the most information to go and make an informed decision. Whenever you come into us, we want you to come into a comfortable environment, that you have all the information for you and your family, and once your decision's been made, that you feel comfortable that you're in the best hands possible.